Okay, this morning I came into the day seeing that Qs and SPY were uh, showing a bearish trend on the higher time frames in 4, the 1, and 15 hour. Um, so my bias was bearish. I wasn't going to trade bullish today. Um, Computer's having a tough time this morning. So anyway, my top watch was NVDA. Um, right into the open, NVIDIA made a huge move to the upside along with the indices, and I kind of thought that maybe the day was over and I wasn't going to be trading. But then the name started to come down here, and as it was consolidating along the 5-minute high, I looked at the 15-minute chart and realized that all we had really done was respected this 1-minute candle and rejected off of that. So I decided to just cut my position size in half, and I took a small trade um, below the 5-minute high for a move to the downside, and I was looking for 2R. I cut my position short early because I only trade until 11 o'clock market time, and after that I get my kids ready for school and out the door. So um, cut the position early. There wasn't enough momentum in this for me to feel comfortable leaving it while I wasn't watching it. And but as you can see, it kept moving and hit my target. It's probably going to continue further today. So I guess what I would have done differently if I could go back is I would have set a trailing stop um, from break even and a hard limit order for a target and let it play out while I wasn't there. Um, But all in all, happy with the trade. It was a quick trade, and I didn't think I was going to trade at all today. So the fact that I got anything and it was a win, it was pretty good.